Hey YouTube, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you just kind of a demo and a look at Literature and Latte's Scrivener. This, I believe, is a $50 app from, obviously, Literature and Latte, and this is a story writing application. So basically, if you're wanting to write the next great American novel, you can do that in this application. Because if you didn't know, November is National Novel Writing Month, so this is the time for you to get your novel on, be able to write, create some great works of writing and art. Even if you're not going to say publish it or get it out there to the masses, you just want to, say, I did it. This, or if you even want to do the bigger works of art and publish it, this is, I think, is the perfect app. It gives you more than enough features that Pages, text edit, Word cannot give you, I think, to write the next great American novel. So let's go on and let me show you this application, and then I'll show you where to get it. So I have Scrivener open now, and here's just the project templates. I just thought I'd show you this first, and then we'll get into actually some more, bigger examples here. But this is, when you first launch Scrivener, you put in your serial number, and here it is. So I have it open here, and you can choose from different project templates. Say you want to do a nonfiction, say you want to do an essay or research proposal, a fiction, so you want to do a novel or a short story, or you want to write a script. So say you're going to, make a great play or something, you can do that. You can do poetry, or you can do some miscellaneous things like persuasive lectures or recipes. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this, and as far as I know, you can probably get more of these templates and things if you choose, but here's the ones that come with it. So basically, I'll just show you what you can do if you want to just start a quick novel here. So I'll just choose the blank because I like that better. And so we'll just save this as example. Save it to the documents folder. And we'll bring this to the center here. And basically here I have it open. You have tons and tons of options. And I won't be able to go over all these in this video. If you have more questions about this application, feel free to send me a PM or a comment to this video. And I'll make sure to either answer your questions, or I'm going to get with Literature and Latte to answer your question. So basically here it is open. You can type in whatever you want to. Pretty simple. You have the inspector here, which I find is extremely useful. So here basically you can title, what you have here. So I can say I want, we call it Chapter 1. Oops, if I can type. So basically I have Chapter 1 here. So now that's changed to Chapter 1 over here in the binder. This is where you'll keep everything straight with what you have. So basically, and you can add documents just dragging into your research. So say you've got a Pages document, when you bring in here, you can do that very easily, or a Word document. You just drag that in, and it opens up, and you can edit that if you want. You can make notes. You can do tons and tons of different things. You can add keywords. So you say you want your entire novel to link back to this one phrase. You can do that. You can make snapshots. You can make comments, which is really useful. So say you want to highlight the section and say, get more details on this. You can very easily do that. Okay, so now let me show you an actual novel. This is kind of an example novel. I think it's really neat. This kind of will show you how it is. This is in the press kit that was provided to me from Literature and Latte. And basically, this is kind of will give you an idea of how, the true power that is in Literature and Latte. So let me show you this here. Basically, here's what you have. So I got a template here. I can do, say, here's my title page. I can say, here's one scene. Here's the beginning. I can have a chapter sketch. I can have a character sketch. I can say, okay, here's the place that I'm going to link to, so let me write about it. It's really neat. And then say, like, you've got a scene open here. So here is my scene. And I want to open that up at the same time. Well, I can do this split view here. Okay, and I can set this up to where, okay, I want this to be in the picture. So now I can write about this scene while I'm looking at this at the same time. It's really simple. I'll close that out if I want to. And so let's look at the inspector again. You can put in your information here, change anything you want to, and there's a lot of different things you can do. And like I said, there's not near enough time for me to show you everything, but I just want to highlight a few things here. So you have full screen view, which is really cool because you can change the opacity if you want to. You can really get in on what you're writing. You can say zoom in, so that way you get a bit more feeling of the screen. You can change the opacity of the background to say, okay, I don't want to see any of the background. Okay, I want to see just a little bit. It's really nice to have there, so I'm going to close that out. Comments, so I can say reply or don't make a comment to that. Oops. I want to say test. And then there we go. So now, if I close the inspector and I click on that, it's not going to link me back to that comment. So now I'm going to say I want to highlight this section here, choose the highlight I want, yellow, done. It's just really easy and it's extremely easy to go in here and change whatever you want to, make it the next great American novel. Really simple, and I hope you check this out for National Novel Writing Month. Probably won't, tackle a novel this year, but I'm definitely going to be tackling it this year now that I have this great piece of software to do that with. Okay, so let me go on and show you how to pick up your copy of Scrivener today. So you really like what you saw here, or you just want to check it out and get a little bit more information and then tackle it yourself. So basically, you go to literatureandlatte.com. The link will be in the description, of course. So basically, I have it open here, and so here's what you'll see. They just updated it with 2.0, in case you didn't know. Really solid update from what I've heard and from what people have said about it before to now. There's a lot of new features to it from 1.0 to 2, and I can't wait to see 3.0. So basically, you can click Scrivener here and read more about it. This is the only app that they make at the time. The app is $45 for you to purchase if you wish. And like I said, there's just tons and tons of different things. Couldn't go over all of it in this video like I would love to have, but you see, this is all I can get in this one video. So basically, you can download it for your Mac, give it a try, and if you like it, feel free to download it. Like I said, the link is in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, because when you subscribe, you're automatically entered to win a $10 iTunes gift card. So make sure you do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.